Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is a little bit different because I have a guest with me and her name is Joyce. But now her name is Amma.
Go on, Anne-Marie.
I forgot the
You're gonna have to. You're gonna have to.
Amma Sentua.
Hey! I'm gonna say.
Amma Ascent. I said it before, didn't I?
You said Asantua. Okay, so what's the middle one?
Sewa.
That's it.
Amma Asentua Sewa.
Amma Sewa Asantua. We'll get there.
I'll get there. You know what? I've been used to so many years calling her Joyce, and this name is so. I just gotta get used to it. Anyway, this particular part of my channel is gonna be called Locs,
Wraps
and more. So, because of I did a video with this particular wrap, but I've got even more exciting wraps because Amma, she is the queen of wraps. So I had no choice. I had no choice but to get her on my channel because she's gonna show you something.
I mean, yes, okay.
No. Come on, let's be truthful. She is the original wrap queen.
Oh gosh. Yes. Oh, I don't know if I'm supposed to like that, but yes,
she is.
I will embrace it.
Yeah, and I'm sure many people would agree. They would agree. Drop in the comments below that you agree that she's the original rap queen. Anyway, what have you got for us today?
So, okay, so let me talk about my hair. So Anne-Marie did my hair for me. Maz777 did my hair for me. It's actually 2 weeks today, wasn't it? 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks.
And we'll probably show you that video. So she put in some tiny plaits after she washed and blow dried it. So we put in plaits and twisted it. Twisted it, and I literally took it out, I think, on Friday.
That's right.
So that's why you can see the nice lovely curls.
She's got lovely curls, but I'm going to put some pictures, some clips in. I don't know if I'm going to do it now or a bit later on in the video, but you'll see them.
Yeah.
And what she's going to do, she's going to show us how she turn around and show her her locks. Now guys, this is would have been originally how long mine would have been,
but she keeps messing about with it.
I keep cutting it, but turn around. Look at this, guys. This is my goal length, yeah. This is my goal length. Turn around. This is my goal length. Her locks are beautiful.
All down to Anne-Marie. So anyway,
all down to me. Yeah,
all down to you. Yes, let's take the credit there.
All
so
right.
anyway, so now I'm going to use this length. I think it's 3 or 2.5 meters. I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair up in one.
Okay, now I might have to get behind the camera if you can't get it all in.
No, it's fine.
All right.
Okay. Then I might have to stand up, Anne-Marie, though. This is quite long. Or let me do the short one first.
All right.
So I'll do one like this. So I hold both it this way. So they're both the same length. What I do is I bring it forward and just roll it. It's so simple. So simple. Roll it. When you get this, it's a nice texture to it as well. So you just roll it, lift it up, and then push it underneath. That's all it is.
Turn around. And as you can see, she's got earrings to match.
I'm really funny.
She's got earrings to match.
Okay, so that's one. Should we do a second one?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so that's the one that I might have to stand up, Anne-Marie.
All right, so that's one. Next one.
Shall I stand up?
Yeah.
So you have to hold it. So this one, I'm holding it at the longer length. So this way.
So I have to get back a bit so you can get all the scarf in the shot.
That's it. So depending on how thick you want it, this one's going to come out really thin.
So hold on a minute. Let me just show them the length of this. Look how long the material is, what she's using.
Yeah. Twist that round. So you've got one layer there. The second layer. Third layer. And then fourth layer.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at that. Give us a twirl. 360. Turn, 360. Side, back.
360, what did I do?
Oh, good. Oh, yeah. Perfect. That is beautiful. Okay.
Okay.
So this is style number 3.
Yeah.
So we've had style number 1, we've had style number 2, and this is number 3. You see, guys, you can. It's so.
It is quite easy, isn't it, Marie?
It is
Come
easy.
on.
You can just. It's. You just
And then
have
you
to
just
be
push
creative.
it. Yeah, you just push it
Turn
in. It's
around.
not.
Show them how you push that.
Push it in.
She just tucked it in, guys. It's just like, just be creative, as I keep saying in the videos. Be creative.
And you'll probably even do better ones than these.
No, these is beautiful. I like them. I like the patterns as well. And of course, finished off with the shades. With the shades, finished off.
Oh, Marie.
This is lovely. 360, girl. 360. Turn around. 2. Yeah. Wonderful. Absolutely
Thank
gorgeous.
you, guys. Marie.
So, guys, this was Emma's hair before I washed it. And this is after I washed it. She's got the towel around her. Then I retwisted it all. There she is with the clips. And that's her hair after I finished retwisting it. That's the side view. And all I did was put it in big plaits, about 8 to 10 plaits, big plaits, and then just styled it, just put it up quickly. This is just a quick style. And this is the cloth, what we use, around about 2 meters. Here she is with that 2 meter cloth doing her wrap style as she twists all the way down. 1, 2, and tucks it under. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the shades. 360. And ends with a lovely smile. So that's the first part of locks, wraps, and more. So keep a watch out for future videos in this series. And
Time to
go home, Hannah. So
Time to go home.
Oh, time to go home.
Time to go home,
Mama.
Mama. I'm in my house. But that's what we say.
That's what we say. You know,
It's
that's
our
what we
saying,
say. It's a
so,
saying.
yeah.
Time to go home, Hannah. But as always, so thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And we'll see you all in our next video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.